8 challenges you face when you have a soft heart. Soft-hearted people are highly sensitive people. They can be considered as the best set of persons in this cruel world. Unfortunately, in today's world, quality of having a soft heart is perceived as weak and useless. There always comes a time when the world becomes unfair to them. It is challenging for a soft-hearted person in this dark world where no matter how good you are, you can always be criticized and replaced. People will judge you according to their mood and need. We live in a time when qualities like humility, sincerity, and compassion have become considered as weak and useless. They say the nice guys finish last and that soft-hearted people are the ones who get knocked down and are often mistreated in the society. It's important to note that soft-hearted people are not fools. They know what people did to them, but they forgive again and again because they have beautiful hearts. What are some challenges soft-hearted persons face daily? Do remember to subscribe if you are yet to. Do give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with friends and loved ones so they also benefit as you are about to. Now, 8 challenges you face when you have a soft heart. 1. They always support others. With so many selfish people in the world, the soft-hearted ones are the ones still willing to offer support. Although some may run to a soft-hearted person not only for support but to take advantage of them, the soft-hearted person still offers a shield to anyone who needs assistance. When you run for support from a person with a soft heart, you will never be rejected. People who are still willing to help others are who hold this world together. 2. Some people will distrust you. Soft-hearted and genuinely nice people aren't rare. This sad fact means that if you are truly nice, you're liable to be occasionally misunderstood, even viewed with suspicion. People will believe that you have an ulterior motive in mind. Otherwise, why would you be doing all these special things? Just as there is no such thing as a free lunch, there cannot, surely, be such a thing as too nice for no reason, according to these doubters. 3. They take things personally. Taking things personally is not a good thing, but soft-hearted people feel it and take everything personally. They can't let it go very practically. These people think by heart to mind. They mean everything, what they do or what others do, where in this world you must ignore most of the things and mind just your way to live happily. 4. They carry the burden of the world. They always carry the burden of the world because they feel deeply, take things personally, are emotionally weak, or overthink. They try to please everyone, which is not possible because a person cannot be everyone's cup of tea. They think about others and they are really affected by others. 5. They're more prone to anxiety or depression. These soft-hearted people overthink, feel deep, weak emotionally that makes them weaker, give them stress, anxiety, and depression. These people consider themselves a victim of bad destiny. They want to come out of the world with a brave heart, but their base nature makes them fail. They always need someone as a pillar of strength to come out of these. 6. They want to offer light to end the darkness. Many live behind fake masks and are not genuine. Expectations are not met and emotions are blown. However, with soft-hearted people, you find truth and loyalty. A soft-hearted person will never blame a single person for the world's many problems. Such wonderful people offer genuine insight into where we should go next, and they help everyone through hard times. 7. They are rare. It would be better if soft-hearted people were in abundance. To have only a few soft-hearted people seems to be a problem on the surface. But on the other hand, this offers every soft-hearted person out there an opportunity to showcase their wonderful gifts of love, compassion, and kindness. 8. People take advantage of them. They know you'll never ignore their texts or turn down an invitation to help them unpack, even if they don't deserve your affection. They could do anything to you and you'd keep coming back because you don't have it in your heart to be cruel. That would be all for now. Thank you for watching and staying to the very end. I'm very sure you did benefit from this. Do remember to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Do give a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment and share with others so they benefit as you've benefited. See you next time. Until then, remain blessed.